Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at Wilma's Hideaway. Going to do a quick video tutorial on the television that is upstairs. And so this is a smart enabled Samsung television. So if you have Netflix or Amazon Prime, you guys can log in to any of the other pay service subscriptions that are available for streaming. And Samsung obviously has a pretty neat little feature. So this is Samsung, where you actually have a whole bunch of channels that you can watch through Samsung. So fairly straightforward remote. On, off, up there, changing the channels up and down here, volume controls on this unit right here on the left-hand side. Your home button, so that you have access to all the streaming channels that's available. And then of course you have the Samsung Plus, which you can go through, and there's a lot of opportunities for you guys to watch whatever you so choose that they have available. So if you have any further questions while you are staying at Wilma's Hideaway, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.